can definitely guarantee within 2014. And part of the reason why we haven't given and part of the reason why we haven't given an exact date is primarily because right now, as I mentioned, we have to still complete the structure, and then we have to test for functional acceptance going into the yard. But the key thing I can tell you about what we're doing now is we've learned our lessons on Streetcar, and that includes everything from the concerns that we had with historic preservation, some of the issues that we've had integrating a system that has been installed piecemeal. And let's be frank, typically this is not how you would deliver a project, but if you kind of understand the funding sources and the use of the losing money, and
piggyback real fast on some of the Thomas have talked about, and that was the H Street line itself, then the city network, you know, and I think that I have confidence that we're going to see a streetcar running on H Street, you know. Back in 2008, I was told it was going to be in 2010, in 2009, I was told it was going to be in 2011, in 2012. It's going to happen. It's going to get there. What I'm more concerned about is if we create a streetcar that just runs up and down a few blocks.
We're going to go next to actually learn about one of those buildings coming up that is really going to change the streetscape of H Street. It's the Apollo on H. Did I say that right? Correct. Y'all might notice the Whole Foods building. That seems to be the shorthand that's coming. But we're going to learn about that. Notice across the street, for those who aren't familiar with H Street, you'll be able to see a Murray's grocery store and a large storage facility, which is going to be basically the outline of the new project we're going to talk about. You also notice on your right a very large hole in the ground that is going to be a, I think, 350 unit, the Jerry Lynch project. So you'll really get a sense of how much the 600 block is going to change.